Hello friends, welcome back with one more critical reasoning question. The question is from assumption family. Level is medium, range is 700. Let us begin and understand. Although parapsychology is often considered a pseudoscience, it is in fact a genuine scientific enterprise. For it uses scientific methods such as control experiments and scientific tests of clearly stated hypotheses to examine the questions it raises. Alright, remember people, whenever you do any assumption family question, first job will be to spot argument, and after argument just go for pre-conclusion with the help of keywords and then go to option. So what is argument here? It says parapsychology is often considered a pseudoscience, and pseudoscience is actually a genuine scientific enterprise. All right, it's been what parapsychology is a genuine scientific enterprise because it uses scientific methods. And what are those methods? Those are experiments and statistical tests. All right, why it is scientific enterprise? Because it uses scientific method. It's been what whichever use scientific method can be a genuine scientific enterprise, right? Let us move to option. It says if a field of study can conclusively answer the question it raises, then it is genuine science. So now see, if a field of study can conclusively answer the questions it raises, it's been what whichever answers the question it raises can become a genuine science. Actually here we are not talking about genuine science, but we are talking about a genuine scientific enterprise. All right, so option A out. B, since parapsychology uses scientific methods, it will produce a credible result. See, parapsychology does not use any scientific method. Actually, a genuine scientific enterprise uses scientific method. And parapsychology is also called pseudoscience, and that pseudoscience is actually genuine scientific enterprise. So option B out. Another problem in option B is what it will produce credible results. So that is one step ahead. It's called too wide. So option B out. Option C, any enterprise that does not use control experiments and statistical tests is not genuine science. All right, it is actually incorrect and too wide. What does not use is not the question. The question is what whichever a genuine scientific is, it uses scientific method. Which does not use what can be called or cannot be called is not the part of the passage, that is not a part of question. So option C out. Any field of study that employs scientific method is a genuine scientific enterprise, and that is called parapsychology or pseudoscience. Fine, so that is option D. So option D is okay. Since parapsychology raises clearly statable questions, they can be tested in control experiments. See, what can be tested in control experiment is not the question, and parapsychology raises clearly stable question, that is also not clear. So these two are not clear information, and that is why option E out. Option D becomes best option. All right, why D? Very simple. It says a genuine scientific enterprise. Why it is genuine scientific enterprise? Because it uses scientific methods to check. That is why, and that is option D.